Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can act fast. Check Roblox client and your OS are up to date, and make sure the network is stable. Close resource-heavy apps and overlays to free RAM and GPU. Once done, restart the router or switch to a wired connection to rule out Wi-Fi jitter. If you suspect corrupt temp files, clear the Roblox cache folder now so the client can rebuild fresh files on next launch. You should repair or reinstall Roblox to replace damaged binaries. Run the installer and choose Repair, or uninstall then reinstall cleanly to remove persistent corruption. Update your GPU drivers, because rendering crashes often stem from old drivers, and set the power plan to high performance to prevent CPU/GPU throttling. Make sure to temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules that may block game executables. After confirming the fix, re-enable protections and create exceptions so Roblox runs uninterrupted. You finish by launching Roblox as administrator to ensure proper permissions, then test connecting to multiple servers to isolate account versus network problems. If crashes continue, open Event Viewer and Roblox crash reports to capture faulting modules and error codes. These details guide targeted fixes like rolling back drivers or adjusting DNS. If nothing helps, create a fresh OS user profile to rule out profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.